the smart car factories in the passenger footwell. And it's got foam, the carpet goes up under the dash, and then it's got like a foam footrest thing, which has got all the foam and all the other stuff.
The one lap
But
dash.
to get that, you've got to feel
What,
the
1 minute?
back,
Yeah,
roll
that's what I
that
mean.
back, and then drop. So I've just basically put my hand in.
Won't have to go in the pits and refuel.
Because there is sort of keeping system going out.
What have you written for?
Switching it
8.5.
on, lowering the windows. Fuel pump comes on, gas out, all the other bits of business on, all on. And everything's wrong, even though it's
Yeah, that's something like that.
Yeah.
wrong. But
Anything over 8 will be good. I would have thought.
yeah. And then in the evening, comes up,
Yeah, then.
all back in, and then
Between 8 and 9.
after.
If you're high 8,
Yeah.
alright, if you're low 8.
Right, on the line. Nearly 20 past 9.
Well, it's just here, I think, basically checking channel, isn't it? Yeah.
They're not the easiest tyres to clean, are they?
No. It's sort of bad friends. So he passed away after he had say it was hatchback. Oh yeah. And flat battery when he'd been away for 3 weeks. And the pipe, the recovery became out, stuck a battery pack on it, blew the, all the memory and everything. And it's not just put the battery pack on.
Yeah, you couldn't really have left and right-handed ones because there'd be a bit interference here, wouldn't there?
Let's go through the support, link into each other.
Yeah.
Like it's still like
Chicane line, right, yeah.
Right, everybody ready?
It was an
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Turkey stuffing flesh.
7.2, Dave 7.1, Paul 7.7. Nice oversight. Get ready, marshals. Ooh, okay. That threw it in the legs, didn't it?
You might have noticed they're quite good for
8.1, 8.1. Right, next heat. Kev, Mike and Dave. Sorry. He's on your next. You're on opposite deck. Oh, sorry.
So you go to the railway, you put your planks. You go to the railway.
Oh, bloody right. 5 points.
5 planks.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
First night back on it.
Get in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I only had to go walk across the road to get the book.
About how long is this for the first one?
No, this very long. Yeah, this very bloody long.
Yeah. When you said it's been that long for a pint, I thought, that's the first one.
Whoa! Acrobatic car. Missing something, eh? What, your boot?
Hey,
Oh, don't know where you put it. Sure, no, it goes up.
Are these all the same? Yeah.
I didn't. You didn't.
I didn't it? She didn't it?
Have you not got your settings set? Yeah.
Did that with a fine.
Power turned down 30%.
Looks all right, Geoff.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Turkey dropping close. Now very slow down. Now very slow down.
6 for Ted.
Now very slow down.
7 all today.
Now very slow down. Heat over.
9 for Ted, 8 for Dave and 9.
6, 9. Bloody hell, Geoff, you've turned your power down 30%.
Yeah.
You're listening still.
Yeah.
You must have got the motorised.
Geoff, Mike. I've tried it with full power and it's slower. What's the motor you gave me? Because I don't see the seal on it.
It was the bottle of water that came out.
Maybe one.
I know there's black house standard, just the way.
Oh, wait about what happened. Two on the front.
I think you can make.
I put my power in.
Do you know what I went to
Once
see
I've
today?
all got them, then
One more in the grog. It was alright.
I think that's about as fast as it can go now.
still made contact with the truck.
He wants to be like that.
I don't know. I don't know what it looks like. I mean, that's silver, it's not
Well,
chrome.
passengers in a different position.
Yours is going to be like you have to wear sunglasses.
Yeah, they're all different, aren't they?
Are you ready, guys?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Now route leader. Seconds later.
I cut that at full power so it was even in the flop.
Point over.
Want to put me down, guys?
6.5.
Oh. The next one, Dave.
Did you see what Collins put on the scratch building page on Facebook? There's another guy, is it Dave Diamond?
Yeah.
He's gone and he's put it up as a header picture, so I put a photo of that, so this, and here's one from the Isle of Man, and Colin says, it's only practice week, be patient. So we'll get a group photo and I'll send it to him.
No, you got it.
Same as yours.
Oh.
You can see.
It's the gears, isn't it? It's the gearing on it.
Yeah, it's geared. Put all my settings up on the group. We are recording, aren't we? Top right? Yeah?
No, it's got the little
Is that a circle?
circle, red circle with a square, black square in it.
A black square, yeah. Top right hand corner, if it's a red, if it's reading the time at top right, and that red.
Yeah, 11:20.
Get past.
No.
Is that a little winglet, is it, Geoff?
Yeah.
An anti-flip device.
Yeah.
It's an anti-something.
Ground effect.
It's an anti-flip over. And that's probably what happened now.
Five, four, three, two, one. Go!
I'm getting away at that.
New route leader.
Whoa! Think not miss the lap as well.
Yeah.
30 seconds left.
Yeah, you did.
New race leader.
Alright, I'll get the old back when you get yours.
Yeah. Guys were sitting outside.
Oh, well, that's-
Race over.
6'4".
Need to add one to Geoff's, not that it makes any difference. Is that on the board, is it?
Just put it down where I put SC for sidecar, put +1 Y.
Can't see where
Or slide do it. Rather than use the other side. Like Geoff. Geoff, SC, so put +1.
okay.
Yeah.
That's something I think about when finishing the paintwork, is leaving a space for the lane decal to go. Lane sticker
Yeah,
to
you
go.
fold
I'm
them
going to peel off your stick, your decal.
I'm not going to come and help you.
Get the phone ready for the camera shot.
I'm not going to come and help you. I just wondered why you were telling me.
Well, because you're in the way.
You're right.
You can help me in the way.
So you'll give it 12:34 now. 11:34. I thought it was 12.
No, it's not, maybe.
I bought them at 11:02 and I picked them up to put them away. Went,
Yeah.
huh? I said 12:02. It's not
I'm on
open.
10:35 at the moment, because it's
10 what?
10:35.
45. Oh, 35. No, yeah, I'm running about 2.9.
Yeah.
1134. That's 2.8, 2.9.
You've got 36 is the big one.
I could go 1036, but I thought I'll just gear it the other way. Because I know what that's like.
So you want to try and be close to 3, 2.9 to 3, but with starting with your 36 in May.
What did you say, 8.5 laps feet? That's 25.5.
Okay, you ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go!
I've done in practice. But I'll hold it. In fact, if you go faster, calm down. And you hold back.
30 seconds left.
No, I put a piece. Hopefully, you see the chassis like a rectangle. The guide and the on the top. Triangle of it on the left. And there as well. And that's it. No, just go to the
I'm in yellows, should be red.
last lap.
This one, I'm not in blue either.
Oh, it's got a blue sticker. Somebody's not finished.
Race over.
Come on.
You think you went through somebody else's lane? You went through somebody else's lane, I think.
I know. I went through in yellow.
Yeah, Geoff won that one. He went through twice.
Yeah. Right, let's get in there and just.
Right,
Let's get the sidecars over on by the TT grandstand thing.
Be there.